Navigating Relationships in Sobriety, Rebuilding Trust and Connection. Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable information and support on various topics. Today, we're delving into an important aspect of sobriety in navigating relationships. In this video, we'll explore how to rebuild trust and connection with your loved ones on your journey to sobriety. If you're seeking guidance on maintaining healthy relationships in sobriety, this video is for you. Let's get started. Honesty and open communication. Honesty and open communication form the foundation of rebuilding trust in relationships during sobriety. Be transparent about your struggles, progress, and commitment to sobriety. Engage in open conversations with your loved ones, allowing them to express their feelings, concerns, and expectations. This mutual understanding fosters trust and strengthens your connection. Patience and empathy. Rebuilding relationships takes time and requires patience and empathy from both parties involved. Understand that your loved ones may have been hurt by your addiction, and they may need time to heal. Show empathy by putting yourself in their shoes and acknowledging the pain you may have caused. Practice patience as you work together to rebuild trust and connection. Setting boundaries. Establishing healthy boundaries is essential in maintaining sobriety and preserving relationships. Communicate your needs and boundaries clearly, ensuring that your loved ones understand what is acceptable and what is not. Similarly, respect their boundaries and be mindful of their concerns. Setting and respecting boundaries creates a safe space for growth and healing. Seeking support together. Engaging in the recovery journey as a team can strengthen your relationships and provide additional support. Consider attending support groups or therapy sessions together. This shared experience allows both you and your loved ones to gain insights, develop coping strategies, and foster understanding. By seeking support together, you build a support system that reinforces your commitment to sobriety. Forgiveness and moving forward. Forgiveness is a powerful tool in rebuilding relationships. It allows both parties to let go of past resentments and move forward. Practice forgiveness, not only towards others, but also towards yourself. Accept that mistakes were made, but focus on the positive changes you are making in your life. Embrace the opportunity for growth and commit to being a better version of yourself. Conclusion. Navigating relationships in sobriety requires honesty, open communication, patience, empathy, setting boundaries, seeking support together, and practicing forgiveness. Remember, rebuilding trust takes time, but with dedication and effort, you can strengthen your relationships and create a supportive network of loved ones. Embrace the opportunity to nurture connections and thrive in your sober journey. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, your relationships can heal and thrive in sobriety. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with others who may benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on navigating the challenges of sobriety. Take care, and until next time, continue nurturing those connections and building a fulfilling life in recovery.